Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
General Manager of the Independence Park Limited IPL, Major Desmond Brown, says steps are being taken to have the National Stadium certified by World Athletics. However, he has conceded that it is unlikely to happen before either this week's Boys and Girls Championships and Grand Slam track, which will follow from April 4 to 6.
And I don't think it will be done before the Grand Slam event. But if there's a record or anything broken, they can still come and do it because they have to check the measurements, the quality of the track itself, a number of things they have to check. And if a record is broken, it can be ratified when they come, it meets the requirements. So there's nothing to worry about. And with the things that are happening, there's no way it could be done before a Grand Slam.
The Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships will run from March 25 to 29 at the National Stadium. Live and exclusive coverage of the event will be on TVJ, TVJSN, and One Spot Media with radio coverage on Hits 92 FM. Only 2 goals were scored across 4 games on Sunday in the Ray & Nephew Jamaica Premier League. In the battle for 6th place, Tivoli Gardens clipped high-flying Racing United 1-0 to bring Racing's 12-match unbeaten run to an end at the Edward Seaga Sports Complex. Tivoli, who for the first time this season are winning 4 games in a row, got their goal through Nikolai Fuller in the 72nd minute. Tivoli remain in 6th on 45 points, while Racing are 7th on 41. Javel Ellis scored in back-to-back games to give Chapelton Maroons a 1-0 win against hosts Portmore United at Ferdinand Park. Ellis's lone goal came in the 31st minute. Chapelton moved to 10th on 29 points, while Portmore United maintained 4th position on 53 points. 13th place, the Humble Lion held a 2nd place Montego Bay United to a 0-0 draw at the Effortville Community Centre, and Cellar Dwellers Veer United in 14th also held a 9th place Dunby Holding to a 0-0 draw at the Wembley Centre of Excellence. Action continues today with a doubleheader at the Drewsland Stadium as Arnett Gardens clash Malines United at 5 p.m, while at 7:45 Waterhouse will play Harbourview. And finally, former Bangladesh captain Tamim Iqbal is under close observation in hospital after suffering a cardiac arrest during a domestic T20 game in Dhaka. The 36-year-old opener, who represented Bangladesh 391 times between 2007 and 2023, was playing for Mohammedan Sports Club on Monday. Tamim, Bangladesh's record run scorer in one-day internationals, complained of chest pains after taking to the field in their Dhaka Premier League fixture against Shaheenpur. Plans to transport him in a helicopter were abandoned as his condition deteriorated, and he was instead taken for immediate treatment at a closer facility, the KPJ Specialized Hospital. Tamim received immediate emergency medical treatment and underwent a successful angiogram procedure to address a blockage in one of the arteries of his heart. Tamim became only the second Bangladeshi to play county cricket in England with Nottinghamshire in 2011 and also had a spell with Essex in 2017. He is the only Bangladeshi batter to score centuries in all 3 international formats. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
Thank you, Christopher. And that concludes the Midday News Package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.